Hey everybody, it's me, Bekesa, and welcome back to our channel here at the Canva Cafe. We are going to be making a Valentine's Day inspired website banner, and all you have to do is just follow along, and you can just switch out any details for your own details. So the size that we are using today, and I'm trying to find it, I wrote it down. Hold on, y'all give me a second. Okay, so the size we're using is a 2000 pixel by 850 pixel, and that's considered like a large website banner. So I use these flowers, these roses. I duplicated them several times. I grouped them together, and now I'm just positioning them at the top. You can do whatever you like. Next, I'm gonna go into my elements. Oh no, I'm not. I need to stop lying. I'm making it a little bit more transparent so you can see it a little bit less. And I'm trying to pop on the screen some of the keywords for these elements that I'm using. So if you pause the video, you'll see what keyword I searched to get this glow. And I'm doing the same thing here. Duplicating them, grouping them together. I'm going to place them behind the roses to kind of illuminate them, kind of like a curtain at a play. And also you'll see the name of this element that I use here too. So pause it if you need to so you can write it down. And I'm just going to position it on the side. I just wanted to give my banner a little bit of movement. And I'm going to place it in this corner. You could probably do the whole back if you wanted to, but I didn't do that. And I'm going to make it a little bit more transparent so it's not doing too much. And I'm going to place it in the back. And to save time, I just duplicated my model. So you would add your model or whatever your brand thing that you're using. I'm just gonna position it. And with the other young lady, I'm gonna also position her and just flip her just to give a little added interest and pull her back to full transparency. And I'm just positioning everything where I want it. And with this, I'm just showing you that I'm going to align her body to blur the line of where that element that we picked, that moving video, stops and where the rest of the flyer starts. So I use her as like a bridge between the two elements. And here is a word that I used. I typed it and uploaded it in Canva. And I do have a video on how to outline words in Canva, so you can check that video out. And why am I talking like a little robot? So I'm just outlining it with the colors that are going with this theme. Once again, it's your personal preference. And once again, I do have a video on how to do this. And just a reminder that I did remove the background from this young lady. She did have a background, and that is a Canva Pro feature. So if you don't have Canva Pro, I do have an affiliate link down in my, where is it? In the description. And you can feel free to use it. You can use Canva Pro free for 30 days with my affiliate link. So to save a little time, I'm just copying and pasting my copy, which one just says sexy hair collection and my fake website. And so I'm using this cherry as something to write on because I'm kind of big on writing on things, using weird objects to write on things besides little squares and circles that, you know, a lot of, people use. I like to find something that relates to my flyer. You could use a strawberry. You could use anything else that you wanted to. Just something that the word can be, stand out on. And then I'm going to add something else to write on because the word shop, it shows up on that color red, but I didn't really like it all the way. So I started off using the leaf to write on. Like I said, I like to use weird things to write on. And eventually I'll just change my mind and move it and put it somewhere else because that's how I am. Also, I think I didn't mention when I put the cherry there, I did use the shadow effect, and I used a drop shadow No, I didn't. I used the page lift and I changed the color from black to red so it have like a little red iridescent glow at the bottom. So I just decided I wanted to keep the little leaf, so I just attached it as a part of the letter E and extended it there. You don't have to. And now I'm just going back in and I'm using that blur effect to blend everything out. And I'm not sure if I mentioned in the video that for the young lady, I used the shadow effect on her also. I used the glow effect on her and glowed her out in that same color red just to give it a little extra, you know, a little extra pop of something. So let me know if you like a longer tutorial or these quick tutorials good for you. Leave the comments down in the comment section so I'll know. I'm just trying to do quick videos so you can get in and out and still be detailed as possible. But if you prefer longer videos, just let me know. And thanks for watching the video. I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and all those good stuffs. Liking helps to support the channel and get it out there for other people to see and to help the channel grow. And drop a cherry in the comment if you made it this far. So this is a part of our Valentine's Day series. I have a whole Valentine's Day playlist, so make sure you check it out. And once again, thank you so much. Thanks for watching the video. Love you. Bye.